Hello all, today we are going to show you how to apply for Finigenie card in very easy method. First you need to go to finigenie.com. From here you can see a download the app button on the top right side. Simply click the button and download the app and install it in your smartphone. Once you download the app, open it and start the applying process by login first. Enter your mobile number and log into Finigenie app. Now you need to apply for the Finigenie card. First, you need to fill in your personal details. Start with the name. After the name, the next column is phone number. Fill your permanent phone number. After that, enter your email ID. After entering your email ID, enter your date of birth correctly and select your gender. After that, finally on this page, you need to enter your document ID and click the register button. Now you can see the second page. In here you need to add your address details. Start with address line 1. Then enter the address line 2. Then your city. After entering the address, enter the landmark for proper location. Don't skip entering PIN code, this is very important step. And then you need to enter the state. After finishing this page, click the Save Address button on the bottom side. On the third page, you can see all the details about the offers, cards, key features and many more. Now you can see here a lot of options like vendor payments, utility payments, book travels, GST payments, rental payments, collect payments, buttons. Now we can simply click any option we want. Now I'm going to click on utility payment and click the pay online button. You can see the payment options like card, UPI, net banking, wallet you can choose as you want.